Robocorp Action Server is the easiest way to extend the capabilities of OpenAI GPTs with custom actions written in Python. Action Server makes your Python scripts compatible with GPTs by automatically creating and exposing an API based on function declarations, type hints, and docstrings. Let me show you how it works. Follow the quick start guide in our GitHub repo to get the Action Server installed on your machine. I already have all set up, and I also have examples from Robocorp's Actions cookbook. Let's use one that opens a local browser to make some Google searches for books. All you need in your Python script is the action decorator, here, type hints for the method, and docstring that describes what the action does and what are the inputs and outputs written in natural language. Then you can start the Action Server. You'll get a link to locally hosted UI where you can see all your actions and their execution logs. But we are interested in the public URL that you'll also get, along with the authentication token. Behind the scene, Action Server has automatically created endpoints out of your Python scripts. It manages the Python environment and dependencies and exposes it all as OpenAPI compatible API that just works with GPTs. Here's how. I'll copy the link from here, jump over to my GPTs. Let's create the GPT, name it book GPT knows books, and then we create an action. We import the URL that we just got. We can see the schema comes out of the Action Server, and then we need to add authentication token, which is API key, and we go grab it from the terminal and put it here, and it's type bear, save. Now we can test our custom GPT in the preview mode here. So we can say that get 2 books about Python and make a haiku from their titles. In preview mode, you can see debug messages, which you don't see in the production version. First, the GPT asks you your confirmation to go into an external action. You say yes. Starts performing the action, which in this case means that it will launch a local browser on my machine, perform the tasks, which was going into Google searching for books, like this. That was quick. Goes back. It got the information that it needed and started writing haiku. While that's happening, head over to Robocorp repo in GitHub, leave us a star please, and start building actions.